Lolita Gajes Ladulio, please come forward and announce. Can you just present the MCU alumni, please?
Okay, my dear friends and classmates, sorry for my voice. I was screaming a lot last night, so I lost my voice. I would like to present to you the class of 1968. Some of them are not here, and some of them are gone, as you have heard. Please stand up when I call your name. The first one is Veronica Josefina, Akain Arsenia, Adriano Linda, Alberto Perlita, Almero Alejandrina, Alvarez Doris, Agnesa Norma,